My dear people of Rivers State, we are all aware of the recent Supreme Court judgment.
Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State delivers a statewide broadcast on the heels of the Supreme Court's ruling nullifying the 2024 local government election of the state, and also the court's directive to the CBN and the Accountant General of the Federation to seize Rivers State's local government monthly allocation.
Since inception, we have conducted the affair.
Governor Fubara says, though the government is not satisfied with the Apex Court's ruling, it would comply as a law-abiding government.
Although we disagree with the judgment, we are bound to obey the order made therein as a law-abiding government. Since inception, we have conducted the affair of government within the framework of our Constitution, due process, and the rule of law. While we are not above mistakes, because we are humans, we believe that we have not, as a government, done anything deliberately to trample on the rule of law or the hallowed principles of constitutional governance. Accordingly, I've had a meeting with my team of lawyers, and they have assured me that the certified true copy of the judgment may be available to them by Friday, the 7th March of 2025. I assure you that upon the receipt of certified judgment, we shall study the ramification and implement them without reservation to move the state forward.
The governor directs all 23 local government chairmen of the state to, with immediate effect, vacate their offices and hand over to heads of local government administration in their various councils, pending the conduct of a fresh local government election.
Furthermore, given the outlawing of caretaker arrangements in the local government system, I hereby direct head of local government administration to immediately take over the administration of the 23 local government council, pending the conduct of a fresh election by the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. I further direct that the outgoing local government chairman to formally hand over to the head of local government administration by Monday, the 3rd of March 2025. Although our dear state seems to be back in trying time, I urge everyone to remain calm and peacefully go about with their legitimate daily activity as we continue to do everything in our power to advance our responsibility to the citizen.
Recall that the Supreme Court, in a ruling on Friday, nullified the outcome of the October 5, 2024 Rivers State local government elections. In a unanimous decision by a 5-member panel led by Justice Uwanu Abaji, the Apex Court upheld an appeal that was brought before it by the All Progressives Congress, the APC. The court vacated the November 21, 2024 judgment of the Abuja Division of the Court of Appeal, which validated the elections. In a lead judgment by Justice Jamilu Tuku, the Supreme Court held that there was no evidence to establish that condition precedent stipulated by Section 150, Subsection 3 of the Electoral Act 2010 was met before the conduct of the election. The court therefore restored an earlier verdict of the Federal High Court in Abuja, which barred the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) from releasing voters registered to the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission for the conduct of the local government elections. Jude Aweke, reporting for VOS TV News, Benin.